Family, welcome to the garage, welcome to the vlog. If you read the title, that's what you're getting into. Man, I just got a little project I need to take care of real quick. You know, we gotta add some sauce, a little bit of flavor to Lucinda. You know, she been looking great for far too long. And if y'all know me, you know we gonna put a personal touch on this. We about to take step 1. Technically, we taking step 1.5 because I already started working on that body work. But aesthetically, we about to start making some improvements. So for those of y'all who don't know, that's Lucinda, my track fiend, and behind, damn, I'm standing stupid as shit. Take a knee. That's Lucinda, my track fiend, and behind me over there, that's Loretta, my street sweeper. You gotta have duality, baby. Dual purpose, multi-purpose, live life better. Now they say that YouTube loves unboxings. Can y'all guess what this is? That's right, the grips. Grips are something that you don't necessarily gotta upgrade every season, but you know, if you changing out the stylings of your bike, you gotta do it big. And if y'all know me, y'all already know what I'm about to pull out. Ooh, them dominoes, or dominos if you will. All right, so what we have here is the Domino A450s. These are my favorite grips, even though truth be told, this is the only aftermarket grip I've ever bought. Now I do like these though, cause I got some pretty decent sized hands, you know what I'm talking about. And these got some nice thick feel to them, you know what I'm talking about? You on that thing, when you're going down that back straight at Road Atlanta, and you going faster than you've been in a minute, and you, woo! No, I'm just kidding. You don't want to grab hear them damn dogs barking. Matter of fact, you see this lip? Damn dog busted me. Shut the hell up in there. You see my lip busting me in my damn soup cooler. But anyways, yeah, man, these grips are great. And I'm just kidding. You don't want a death grip, nothing. Light grip. But these are thick enough to where you still get some good feel. I don't like grips that are too thin because I got these big ass cheek slappers, you feel me? Oh, these things are fire. Something to make note of. The first time I installed grips, I didn't pay attention to the different sizes. The thinner one goes on your clutch side, and this one goes on your throttle side. As you can imagine, you need more clearance. So the first time I struggled to get the clutch side over that damn throttle, and Lord have mercy, I felt so foolish. Some folks like to use hairspray to get these to kind of stick. It'll help them slide on, and then it'll kind of help them stay stuck on. But I just use safety wires. As you can see, there's channels in here to use safety wires. So that's all I use to lock them on. So let me get this taken out right quick.
Hey, feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear these bitches know.
To remove, all I use is a little air hose. Get that thing started like that. Get it. Easy as can be. Get it started. Jesus. Voila. I gotta go a little further. You don't want your grip gripping your clip-on nor your throttle cable housing. Need that good return, and I think we are good there. Now the logos ain't exactly where I want them. Yeah, I like that. Now even though that last one was easy to take off, watch this one. Yeah. Yes sir, brand new clip-on time. Now it's time to safety wire. Complete 2 loops. Stab it into your grip so it don't stab into your hand. And we're gonna add another one in here. Repeat the process on those 2 other ones. Now I appreciate y'all for tuning in and kicking it with me. Y'all stay blessed, don't be too stressed. Master Yoshi out. Peace.
Front line, south side, I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.